guys, just going to show you how I do my daytime contour, and I'm going to be using this MAC Studio Fix pen. Tried and tested, by the way. I did try doing it straight on the areas that I contour, but the easiest, you just get too much product, it's just too messy, so the easiest way is just to get a little bit on the back of your hand. So I contour my nose and just kind of like my cheeks, just to make everything look a bit more lifted. You can contour your jawline if you feel like you need to. Some people like to make their hair, forehead look a little bit smaller, so they contour, but I'm just showing you where I contour. You don't need to contour, it's only if it's something you want to do. I am very conscious about the size of my nose, that's why I contour my nose religiously. So many people ask me how to contour, and then they've got these perfect little noses that they don't actually need to contour. So it's only if you feel like you need to. Anyway, so that is literally more than enough. I take quite a small, dense brush, and that is already too much product. Okay, for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you with this much product. Make sure that the contour lines up with your brows. Blending is really important because you need to keep on blending so you don't get any harsh lines. We don't want to go down the middle here and just get kind of like a big brown nose. See where your contour starts and finishes, kind of thing, because everything should just be really, really well blended. Nose does look like bronzed, but hopefully you can see that hopefully it looks thinner on my hand. So I'm going to take a dot and just place here. So if you feel like where the dent or the hollow is, you just go a little bit above that. Here it looks like I've contoured, but that's actually some pigmentation from eczema, so that's not where I contour. There you go, just above there. A little bit more on this side. Brush, fluffy one, and blend towards my hairline. Always blend towards your hairline or to the outer part of your face. Don't blend in. And that gives a nice contour, and again, you shouldn't see any kind of lines finishing and ending. Everything should be blended. I haven't got any blusher on. I've put bronzer on, but yeah, and you're basically, when you're contouring, you're creating a shadow, so hopefully you can see that my face looks a little bit more lifted. And yeah, that's my everyday contour.